would like your suggestions on handling dog reactivity without depending on treat rewards. So with reactivity, one of the most important principles that I recommend for people when it comes to reactive dogs, and I've got a reactive dog here. I've had a bit of experience with helping reactive dogs. So there's sort of my main approach is twofold. The first thing that I want to do is be very sensitive to triggers. I want to avoid or minimize the intensity of anything that causes the reactive behavior. So if I'm walking, that means not going to dog parks. It means if I've got a severely reactive dog, I'd be thinking about, okay, what time of day am I going to be likely not to run into other people and dogs or things that cause this problem. And the other approach that I use and teach my clients to do a lot is touch-based therapy. So I have created and teach a modality called the whole energy body balance method, and there's several hands-on skills in that method that cause a really strong body level relaxation in the animals. In fact, this is a cornerstone of my treatment for all anxious dogs is therapeutic touch, because the therapeutic touch trains their nervous system how to move from this anxious, fearful, aroused state into a calm, grounded, relaxed state. And if you keep doing this, then a lot of these dogs are living so that they're in a chronic state of low-grade arousal or anxiety all the time. And if you use this touch every day, over time you shift their ground state so that their ground state becomes more relaxed. And you're also moving them into deeper and deeper states of relaxation. So you're training their whole system how to regulate from arousal into relaxation. So that's what I would do. But I would also say you need to go to your vet. You need to find out if there's pain going on, because nearly every reactive dog that I've ever helped has got pain in their body, in their neck, their back, the soft tissues of the body, which is often missed and not diagnosed. So a pain relief trial sometimes can lead to big changes in these animals' behavior. And you need to consider positive reinforcement training as well. It's a very important part of this whole thing. But if you can manage the thresholds and not let your dog go into the red zone, then the treats are much more effective when they're in the orange zone. When they go in the red zone, they'll stop being responsive to treats. And other things then to consider are the range of holistic, alternative, complementary types interventions and treatments and supplements that you'll be learning about in this summit. And if none of that's working, then you might need to consider the more veterinary prescription medications.
Dogs that suffer from food anxiety will show some behavioral changes. In order to prevent any damages or accidents, it is best to learn how to fix anxiety in dogs before things run out of control. Here are some tips from Dr. Edward on how to deal with food anxiety.